All right, this is James. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday, June 16th. It's 1427. We're going to do 227. We're going to do a walk around video of this 1988 911. Beautiful car. I'm going to show you everything and also display the seats, the sunroof, stuff like that. Do have a few minor rock chips right here in the front, so you can see. Once you get that good side profile. I don't know about most of the people watching this, but this was definitely hanging on my wall as a kid. This exact car. I'll show you the passenger side. I have the seat back just because I was recording the driving video, so I usually put the seat back, but this is what it looks like on the inside. These are the seats. I'll give you the back seat. Hold on, there's a truck here. All right, sorry about that. We had to pause the video for a truck. We park at the end of our cul-de-sac, and usually we don't get any traffic down here, but all right, I'm gonna show you the seats work. Forward. If you look, raising it back up, down, down, deck. This is your side profile. Alright, so this seat, putting it back, forward, down, up, back, forward. Inside from the cockpit. And let's do the, I think the car has to be on for me to do the sunroof. Looks like from the top. All right, that concludes my video. If you have any questions about this beautiful car, feel free to contact me. Otherwise, have a great day. Until next time.